Hey guys, so today I'm gonna say, what about you go follow Warrior Amino? I know what it. Right now, my account is JFeather12, and right now I'm at level 6, and I'm also a warrior. About to finish up. What you could do is you could, of course, do following feed, guidelines, features, public chat rooms, latest feed, quizzes with polygons, polls, and shared folders. You can go follow me there at JFeather12, and maybe me and you could do a chat. So go follow me on Warrior Amino at JFeather12. I'm almost a warrior. By the way, guys, I love doing quizzes, so this is the one I'll do, and I'll also do polls a lot. So, just want to say that's only today. This is only a small video. So yeah, let's get on to the real video. So actually, guys, today we'll be going this on Warrior Amino and doing stuff. Sorry, guys. Mother name, sorry. Which 5-star couple is better? I'm gonna say 5-star X Spotted Leaf. Oh my gosh, no one picked 5-star X Cinderpelt, and no one picked 5-star X Sandstorm. Mother name pool. I'm gonna say Greyheart. Sorry guys. A friend of mine is here, so. Battle of an Evil Cat. My favorite has to be Scourge. This is a claw. Okay. Bush Clan. It must focus on the Bush Thunder Clan, so I'll go with Thunder Clan for this one. The next question. Cloud Heart. So, most of them had 4, so. Should Inky and Mud have a story? Sorry guys, mine's getting darker and my phone's about to die, so let's just finish this up. But she had her order brought to her car using mobile ordering pay. Who should I pick? We'll do Greenleaf. Order like you're famous with the McDonald's app. Order on your time, pick up on your terms. What color should I use next? Oh my god. Red. Color pencils. Making an LC. A Thunder Clan.
Hey guys, what's up? So today we are testing some summer DIYs, and not only just summer DIYs, some weird summer DIYs. So I do upload every single weekend on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe.
Now guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go on quizzes, and we're going to hit the best quizzes. So the first one we're going to do is 100 questions. Warriors knowledge.
We're going to make our very own swimming gloves that'll make us swim super fast, like I hate that word. I've never liked that word. Take your road through that. Kind of like something like that. Then it goes to staple each finger.
3, 2, 1. Barkface's brother is, let's say, Tall Star. It's Shrupa. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 100 questions, so guys. Huckheart knew fighting to ghosts as a medicine cat. False? No, yes. So guys, this quiz kind of sucks, so. Now we're going to do, how about the word cats? Good start. 3, 2, 1. But why did Yellowfin really name Broken Cat in such a way? She felt broken inside. Sorry, guys. What was Blue Star's original name? Moonstar. Red Star. Very funny. What was Leopard Star afraid of when she was born? Vulture. Whose raised feather named after? Crow Feather. Feather. Relationship does Cloudtail have to Firestar? Firestar is his cousin, uncle. Sorry, I messed up everything. One more time. Who's Jay Feather named after? Remember, we already learned this. Bronze. Well, Carl Feather. Who's Birkenstar's first mentor? Got on to Grace. Why did 5-star water draw teeth on the sky? It looked menacing. I think it was just because he was trying to get the color off in the beginning. We're Grace Star's parents. They were half siblings. That just sucks. Where did Grace Star's parents sibling meet? Yes. Last time, 15 questions. When a rabbit's scratched with dog teeth on his collar, it looked menacing. How many toes does Black Star have on each foot? 5, 6, 6, 6. Okay, never mind, guys. She looks. You defeated 71 of the players. So today that was the end of work for this one. I just want to say, what about you click the red subscribe button, like, and comment. So I want to say, see you guys on my next video, and bye!